Is that a hit?
I think I hit him.
How do you know?
I got him. I see him.
Should you run?
I shot at him 3 times. I think maybe 4 times. Evidently I missed.
It was amazing and horrible all at the same time. I think I just got to suck it up and embrace the suck and find us a bull. Alright guys, here we are, day 2, 2019 elk camp, elk hunt. Day 1 was a doozy, man. It was kind of an emotional roller coaster, a lot of ups and downs. So, but I'm confident for day 2. I think we'll get back in the elk and hopefully we can find the right bull in the right range today. So let's go, day 2. Here we go.
Yes. Nice shot, dude.
Yeah. Are you still feeling?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright. Day 2, 2019 elk first rifle. We got it done. The guy that I missed on day 1 at 500 that I was so down about and discouraged. We spotted him last night. We knew where they bedded. Sat up on him this morning, and with a little bit of luck, he came in within about 250, 260 of me and put him down. So 2019 elk first rifle was a success. We did it. Now the hard work begins. Now we got to pack him out, and we're way up here. Alright guys, we have made our first trip down the mountain with meat.
the head and one more pack of meat left. We got to go back up there and bring it down. A lot of hiking, I think about 9 miles today, and overall, get the meat down, get it cooled off, and then we pack out tomorrow. We're actually gonna break down camp and pack out all the meat and everything tomorrow. So stay tuned.
That's gonna be heavy as shit, dude.
Yep. All right, last day here at elk camp. We are packing out all the meat and tearing down camp today. So it's gonna be a long day for us. But overall, what an amazing hunting trip. It was absolutely super high, super lows, and end up, obviously, by getting the bull, made it the amazing trip. Otherwise, it still would have been an awesome trip, but we would have left here feeling unsatisfied. So. Awesome trip. I'm tired, wore out. We hunted hard, so I'm ready to tear down, pack out today, and get home and take a shower, see the wife, kiss the wife, hug the kid, and get back to normal routines. All right, we are almost done. This is our last pack out down to the truck. We got only about a mile left, and I can't wait to get down, hit some fast food, sodas, burgers, the whole works.
Yes. That was a successful trip.
We made it. Well, hey guys, we're back here in civilization, back here in routines. It's good to be back with a hot shower and some real food. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. It's our first video that I've ever done with hunting anyway. I hope that you guys really liked it. And next year I'm hoping to do a lot more, but to recap this hunt, it was one of the best hunts that I've been on up to date. Tons of animals, tons of elk. We were busy the whole time. Nothing was ever boring. And you know, it would have been an amazing hunt even if I didn't get an elk. And elk hunting is really hard, you guys. I think it's 15% of elk hunters actually get an elk. So we were super lucky to get an elk on this trip. Elk hunting is super hard. I think that if you're going to elk hunt and you want to be successful, you have to hike in, you have to be in shape to elk hunt. You got to do a lot of hiking. It's physically very demanding, but it's also very, very rewarding, especially if you end up getting an elk. Even if we didn't get an elk, I love being in the mountains. I love hiking. I love being in nature, and that's where I really feel at home is hunting in the mountains. So even if we didn't get an elk, it would have been an amazing trip either way. Hunting is just a big passion of mine. I love hunting. I love elk hunting. I actually do guided elk hunting 2-3 months out of the year. So for this hunt, this was my own hunt, and it was really special to me. I brought Ian along to film it, and even though it was our first video, we didn't get some of the shots we really wanted to get, like the kill shot, more phone scope footage through a scope that we now know that we can get. And maybe next year, when we do, I'm planning on doing a bunch of hunts next year, I'll bring Ian along and some other guys, and we'll film it all and get some better footage for you. So please stay tuned. If you like this footage and you want to see my next year's hunts, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching, Good luck to all you hunters out there.